Hi, I'm Jay with CarGuys New England. CarGuys New England is a YouTube channel for car enthusiasts covering the New England car scene, car events, how-to videos, exotic car videos and events, things like that. So I got into YouTubing because actually I am an internet marketer, and I wanted to challenge myself and really see how many subscribers I could get. I have just under 30,000 subscribers. Behind me is a 2008 Lamborghini Murcielago LP640. It's a roadster model. There were only 899 built in the 10-year run. So there were a total of 899 Murcielago roadsters made between the first generation and the second generation in a 10-year run. This particular car behind me is one of two in the United States with a two-tone blue interior and balloon white pearl paint.
Holy shit. So we're about to get on the highway. Where can these guys find you?
Our YouTube channel, CarGuys New England. Also, you can find us on Instagram. Again, CarGuys New England. We're also on Snapchat, CarGuys NE, and we're also on TikTok, CarGuys New England.
Awesome, awesome. Thanks again for this awesome opportunity.
Yep.
Love this Lamborghini and hope to see you guys. Make sure you guys follow him on his Instagram and subscribe to his YouTube channel. As for me, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.